Hello learners and welcome back. In the last video, we understood what Claude Co-work is. Now, the next important question is how is it different from Claude.ai and Claude Code? Because all three are part of the same broader ecosystem, but they are built for very different kinds of work. So, in this video, we will compare them side by side and understand when each one makes the most sense to use. This comparison matters because many people assume these are just different versions of the same product, but that is not really true. They may all use Claude, but they solve different workflow needs. And if you choose the wrong one for the task, your workflow becomes less efficient and operationally misaligned. So, the goal here is simple: understand the right fit based on the task, the user, and the work environment. At a higher level, you can think of these as three different Claude experiences. Claude.ai is your general workspace for chat, writing, and research. Claude Code is built for developers working with code, files, and commands. And Claude Co-work is designed for no-code task execution across desktop and team workflows. So, the easiest way to remember this is one helps you think, one helps you build, and one helps you execute. Now, let's make the differences more concrete. Claude.ai is mostly conversational-oriented. Claude Code is an action-oriented inside technical environments, and Co-work is action-oriented for desktop and team workflows. So while Claude.ai often helps you reason through a task, the other two move closer to execution. The big difference is where that execution happens, in code for Claude Code and in everyday work tools for Co-work. A very practical way to choose is by asking, what kind of task am I doing right now? If the task is about brainstorming, research, writing, or analysis, Claude.ai is usually the right fit. If the task is technical and lives inside a code base, Claude Code makes more sense. And if the task is multi-step, operational, and spread across files or apps, that is where Co-work becomes the stronger option. This is where Co-work becomes especially interesting. Claude.ai is great at helping you think, explore ideas, and draft outputs, but Co-work moves beyond that into execution. Claude Code also goes beyond chat, but in a very different setting. It is designed for developers working directly with code, files, and commands. So, Co-work sits in the middle as the bridge between conversational AI and real no-code desktop task execution. So, Co-work sits in the middle as a bridge between conversational AI and real no-code desktop task execution. That is why it feels less like a chatbot and more like a working partner. Let's look at a real example. Suppose the task is read the latest monthly sales report in your folder and summarize the top 5 insights for your manager. Claude.ai can absolutely help with the structure, wording, and reasoning of that summary. It can tell you how to frame the response and even help you draft it well. But Co-work can take that same request and treat it like an executable workflow. It can find the file, open it, read the report, extract the important points, and prepare the final summary. So the same prompt may sound similar, but the outcome is very different. Claude.ai helps you think through the task, while Co-work helps move the task toward completion. Now compare Claude Code and Co-work. Both are more action-oriented than a normal chat interface, but they operate in different environments. Claude Code is strongest when the workflow lives in code, scripts, files, commands, and development tasks. Co-work is strongest when the workflow lives in business tools, documents, communication, and coordination. So both are agentic, but context decides which one fits better. This slide gives you the decision guide to remember. If your day is mostly asking, exploring, drafting, and analyzing, Claude.ai is likely your default. If your day is mostly coding, debugging, testing, and modifying systems, Claude Code is the better match. And if your day involves processing files, coordinating work, and handling repetitive multiple tasks, Co-work is usually the strongest fit. So, the best product depends on what kind of work fills your day. Now that we have compared Co-work within the Claude ecosystem, let's briefly compare it with similar product outside it. Google Anti-Gravity is much more development-centered with agents working across the editor, terminal, and browser. Co-work, in contrast, is focused on no-code execution across desktop tasks and business workflows. So again, the core difference is not just the interface, but the environment where the work happens. The easiest way to choose between Google Anti-Gravity and Co-work is to ask, where does the work live and what kind of access is needed? If the work is mainly software development and requires code, commands, browser access, and verification, Anti-Gravity is the better fit. Co-work is better suited for business and operational workflows. It can work with local files and folders on your desktop, and it can also connect to tools like Gmail, Slack, and other platforms through connectors. So in simple terms, Anti-Gravity is stronger for agentic development workflows, while Co-work is stronger for no-code execution across desktop and cross-tool business workflows. So here is the key takeaway from this video. Claude.ai helps you think, Claude Code helps developers build, and Co-work helps team execute. They are not competing versions of the same thing. They are different ways of working with AI. Once you understand that, choosing the right Claude experience becomes much simpler. So that was our comparison of Claude.ai, Claude Code, and Co-work. The main idea is to remember is that Co-work stands out as a no-code execution layer for real desktop and team workflows. And the more clearly you understand the strengths of each product, the more effectively you can use them in the right context. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.